Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the shot into a timeline that matches resolution and frame rate because inconsistent settings make ramps look choppy. Once imported, trim tight and place markers at the exact frames where motion should change so you have visual anchors. Then enable time remapping on the layer. This creates 2 keyframes immediately. You now have control points. Next, add a keyframe where the speed will start to alter, and another where it settles. This sets the basic ramp region. Now you sculpt the motion. Convert the keyframes to eased keyframes so the interpolation isn't linear. This matters because linear ramps feel abrupt. Then open the graph editor and choose the speed graph. This shows how fast frames change over time. You'll drag the incoming and outgoing Bezier handles to create a velocity curve. Pull handles outward to extend acceleration, push inward to tighten it. As you refine, scrub the timeline and adjust handle length until the motion feels natural versus mechanical. Finish by smoothing artifacts and preparing to render. Add frame blending or pixel motion blur when slowing footage because missing frames cause stutter. Optical flow often yields the best results but can introduce warps, so preview closely. If you need compound retimes, pre-compose or nest the layer before further adjustments to avoid broken remaps. Finally, set your render to match comp settings and export. If you see judder, make sure interpolation is optical flow and reduce sudden curve spikes. That fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.